one's fucking shot for shit. Even its bearings. These aren't bearings, these are like couplers. But that's the rear suspension / shock on these. Let's see. Can we open it? Is it just like an unscrew? I think you have to unscrew this top one. But yeah, let's just throw that on the ground. So now she has no suspension. That's why she's fucking falling. But I'm sure we will have a very easy time installing a new one. I kind of want to take everything apart one last time just so I can give it a good paint. My answer is, let's open up Le Carb. I think I put the keys inside. Please, do not leak on me. Do I know you? Just gonna remove this hose. Leave that there.
To start living. The distance remains always the same. One does not become ordinary. You are ordinary. Pesa.
I'm not even sure this has a gasket that's supposed to. Oop, let nothing fall. And slide that out. We're also replacing this cable today, so it's not a big deal. Oh, let's see how that. I mean, yeah, it opens it all the way up, but doesn't close it. I don't think it's supposed to close it though. I think the only Oh, this definitely still has fuel in it. This one's definitely clogged. So this is my jet. You're supposed to be able to see a tiny bit of light through it. And I can't. So let me explain this to myself before I get lost. This plastic thing is like the gasket, and it was going backwards towards the back of the engine like this, right? Then this was on top. This was then connected that way, which was then connected to this, like that. So this goes there, like this. And this goes there. Then this goes up here. And yeah, that's pretty much it. These are very simple engines, and I think this is another one that I can unscrew and clean, douse with like carburetor cleaner or whatever. But for now, I'm taking a break. We're done. Package from Faster Minis. This is the package I was waiting on for my CRF50. So let's do an unboxing. Thank you, Faster Minis, for the package. So I saw that they added this for me, which is so nice. It's a banner. I'm going to be using that in my garage. And, oh, they always take care of people. Send me stickers, which they actually sell these if you want to buy them yourself for like $5. But I'm assuming if you spend enough money, they will do it. They'll give you one for you. Just because it's free advertising. People love stickers. Oh, I'm so excited. This is the new cable for my throttle. It's going to make a world of a difference. The other ones are completely rusted. Right there you see it's a 20 to 24 millimeter carb. I think I might have a 22 millimeter carburetor coming in, which would be a slight upgrade to the stock. This is the second box. This is the most important and expensive box of this. Let's just open it real quick. Oh wow. So this looks beautiful. This is insane compared to stock. So let's go. Wow. This is beautiful. This is beautiful. Oh my goodness. It just feels so quality. Oh my god. So it's as firm as possible currently. And I can just make it softer if I don't like it, and it just looks amazing. I have nothing I can say. This is amazing. It has a little piggyback system. So this is up for riders like 300 pounds. I weigh 160, so this is gonna be perfect for me in jumps and stuff. And I just love the spring. It's so beautiful. I'm assuming, yeah, 250 pound riders. So, or per inch. And oh, it also has an adjustment, so if I want to make it higher, I just do that. But I'm assuming I do that once I install. So let's get these cut and installed. So beautiful. Oh my god. Alright, install video. So let's cut these right here. Okay, that's bad. Don't let that fall. Let's compare it to the original now. I also want to take a picture of this for Instagram, I guess. But compared to the original, I mean, same height basically. You can tell how this lost its compression. But I mean, this just looks so much better in build quality and everything. It's beautiful. I love it. So I'm assuming you put it up this way. Yeah. So let's install this. The minimum is try to get it seated where it goes. Okay. I think this may be too big. Or does it need to be in this way? It probably just needs to be in this way. Ooh. Can't believe I already did it. So it's rough. That's how she goes. Now just gotta mess with her more and get her in place. Don't remember which one goes where, but I'm assuming this goes in the back and this goes in the front. Yeah, so actually I think I was wrong about that. So let's bring this up. Okay, yes, let's do one at a time. I think we do it like this, and then I just add the bolt. From there, I can do the other one. So let's put these things back. Dowels. I don't know if that's actually what it is. It just looks like a dowel. I'm not far, it's just I don't physically have the strength right now to do this because I need to pick it up with this arm, which I'm not supposed to at all, and then slide this in. I have no suspension right now. That just sucks. That's why you don't work when you're hurt. It's a pretty good rule of thumb. What I'm doing right now is very stupid and unnecessary. Also disrespectful to my family after, you know, helping me get better. So if you're in a similar situation, be a man and take care of your health first.
The distance remains always the same.
Okay, yeah, don't want to lose this. That's gonna be fine, just Let's pinch it like this up top. Ooh. I'm gonna have to give up. Shit.